Genuinely, you do not get better market conditions than this. When price is moving like this and moving impulsively like this on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, as the saying goes, you've got to make hay where the sun shines. We entered into 4 positions. This was a 9R, this was a 14R, this was 5. So 9, 14, that takes us to 23. That takes us 23, 20, 28. And then we finished off with a 3.5, so 28.32. So in a day of trading, yeah, that was just Thursday, we took 32R off that. Welcome back, team, to another video. I'm going to try and break a habit of a lifetime here and give you my quickest breakdown yet. EURUSD was fantastic to trade last week. I caught some really good positions, and I want to give you a really nice snapshot as to how I trade and how quickly and easily it can be done. If you haven't done so already, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. You pop me a like and a notification below, and head over to the Instagram at StrongmanForex, where we give out free content daily. And there's also a free mentorship group that if you message me on at StrongmanForex, you can hopefully join us and become a part of. Now, I'm going to do my hardest. I'm going to try my hardest to keep this short and sweet for you, okay? Because EURUSD is a really simple trade this week, okay? Higher time frame, this is a 2-hour chart. We know we're in bearish, okay? Big pushes down, real struggle to get back up. We know we're in bearish structure, okay? Now, I've discussed on the other videos what happens on kind of Monday, Tuesday onwards. We normally have an accumulative move, which is here, okay? This is Monday. We then have a distribution move, which is Tuesday, and then the bigger move for the week, which is kind of Wednesday, Thursday, Friday onwards. And the ultimate target is going to be down here. That's what we're targeting on these trades anyway, okay? Prices come nicely in to meet this supply, and we've had this rejection. I didn't take anything early in the week from what I can remember, and we didn't get an entry on Wednesday, okay? But to be fair, Tuesday showed us that we are bullish. And even though I'm expecting this to be a manipulative move, I'm still not going to trade against it just absolutely, carelessly, okay? You could have traded this move here, and as you can see, I did draw this out, okay, to try and enter, but I didn't get my entry, okay? What happened here on Wednesday is we had this lovely move up, okay, which swept Asia. Now, some people would just take that on that, okay? Looking at that rejection, we've swept the Asian range. Looking at that rejection, we've swept the Asian range. You could have set your high there, and you would have had a really good trade. It's not one of my setups. It may be one that I play around with in the future, but for now, what I was waiting for is a retrace, which we didn't get, okay? But what this did tell us is that there's heavy bearish pressure in the marketplace. We have resumed the higher time frame trend, which is a bearish trend, and we've taken out points of structure here, okay, which indicate to us that now this is Wednesday. I know that on Wednesday, normally the move of the week is set, okay? So for me, this tells me that after this break of structure we've had here, it wasn't a major because it wasn't a swing point, but it was a break of structure. This tells me that the likelihood is we're going to be going bearish for the rest of the week. It's in line with the higher time frame, and it's Wednesday, okay? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday normally trade in the same direction, okay? So on Thursday morning, okay, I'm seeing these moves happen, and I'm waiting ideally for a nice sweep of the Asian range. What we'd have loved to see is price sweeping the Asian range and then pushing down. And again, that would have been our accumulation, manipulation, distribution, okay, the false move. But we didn't get it, okay? But that's okay. Not every trade's going to be perfect. We still got to trade the setups as we see them. Now, for me, I know we're bearish, okay? I've seen this bearish push down, and then it's really just a simple case of entering on the 50%. I was a little bit late to the party, as you can see, okay? But then we had that push down. Now after that, once the bearish pressure is in there, I'm just looking to add in positions. We had this nice imbalanced position here. Look at this supply that we tagged perfectly. Lovely supply there with an imbalance below. Wait for price to tag it, sell off, okay? Same thing applies here. Lovely push down, imbalance, wait for price to tag the 50%, sell off. And the same thing happened over and over again. Genuinely, you do not get better market conditions than this. When price is moving like this and moving impulsively like this on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, as the saying goes, you've got to make hay where the sun shines. We entered into 4 positions. This was a 9R, this was a 14R, this was 5. So 9, 14, that takes us to 23. That takes us 23, 20, 28. and then we finished off with a 3.5, so 28.32. So in a day of trading, yeah, that was just Thursday, we took 32R off that. Now I trade much smaller, so that gave me about 3.5% on my accounts, but if you trade at 1% per trade, that's 32% you've done in a day. That's how simple trading can be. So make sure your timing is right. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is great times to trade, and make sure when you are taking your trades and you see the markets moving your direction, don't hesitate. See your setups appear, take the trades, and be done with it. Now I'm actually quite amazed. I think this has been my first 5-minute trade breakdown. So I hope it's not been too short, too sweet. My other videos you shall see are a little bit longer. We go into a bit more detail. Let me know in the comments below if you like the shorter videos, if you like the longer videos in more detail. And yeah, head over to the Instagram at Strong Money Forex if you want to join the Discord mentorship, which is completely for free for the time being. See how I trade, learn my strategy for free, then please head over to Instagram at Strong Money Forex and pop me a DM.